Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, do you know that there are certain areas in India where even domestic tourists or foreign tourists also need to get some special permission in order to visit? Yes, and one of those is the Leh district, very beautiful natural place, but you need to have yourself registered in order to visit. So for that, the online process is less district tourist management system that I'm showing you. And if you see, they have given option overseas registration, domestic, tourist information agency, pending approval, like all these links are there. So you can definitely explore them. But let's say you're coming from overseas. So you click on overseas registration. They have given some criteria. So it's very simple. You need to fill your details, nationality, like up to here, it's very simple name, phone number, email address, gender, nationality, passport number, passport type, and your visa details because I selected other nationality like international. That's why. And visa type, what are the options we have? For OCI card holders, you have this Universal Visa EU. Okay, choose your agent that you have booked with. There are authorized agents, and in many cases, like agents help to do this. So you can connect with them also if you don't want to do it yourself. They can also help you. And then you submit, and once permitted, you can go through. They have given some conditions that you need to follow. Some things you need to carry, and there are certain precautions you need to take. Emergency numbers are very important. For domestic, if you click domestic, like they get this instead of citizenship, you get the state option that you select wherever you are coming from. ID type that you're gonna carry, ID number, mobile number, email address, gender. Payment you want to do directly or through an agent, that also you can select. And date of beginning, journey beginning. And this way you can register. And if everything goes smooth, you are all good to go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.